Every single one of my task trackers is meant to be 100% customizable to fit your exact position. And that's because whatever works for me may or may not work exactly the same way for you. And that's what makes my spreadsheet a lot better than some of these other platforms that are pre-built, because you can edit it to however you want. You just need to do a little bit of tweaking to the spreadsheet. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your spreadsheet. And the same concept kind of applies to everything. All right, let's say to the left right here, we want to have a new column and put associate. And you can put a drop down if you want. So you can click on the caret, go to edit column type, drop down, and we'll put employee 1 and employee 2. You can add some color right here. Perfect. Hit done and we're good. So now we have a new column. So we're gonna go back here. We're gonna change this to column 5, change this to column 5, change this to column 6, change this to column 5. Up here, we need to change this to column 4. But then we also added a new column, so we need to change the timestamp location by 1 as well. We'll change completed to column 13, pending to column 12, the trigger is located in column 5, and everything is good to go there. So I'm going to save that. Now, just like last time, we need to add a new column wherever that is, so we'll put associate. Combine list to the left, we'll put associate. Recurring to the left, we'll put associate. Completed tasks to the left, associate. Now over here, if you want to include the associate, you can do that. So let's go ahead and add a new one to the left, and we'll put associate. Now, just like last time, we need to do some edits. Our part task will be good to go since we have the new column already, and we updated the app script list. Now on the combined list, you can see right here that we only have the items that are on the task list, and everything is missing from the done tab. And that's because you can see right here where call 2 is not null, and call 2 right now is the associate. There is no associate listed on our completed tasks tab. So that's why nothing's there. If I were to add an associate, then if I go to my combined list, you can see that associate is now there. So if you have any historical data, you have one of two options. One, you can change this from call 2 to call 3, so that way the third column is not null, which is the deadline. But realistically, you want it to always point to the task list, which is call 4. So that way it doesn't exclude anything that does not have a deadline, but was completed. The other option is you could assign an associate to every single one of your completed tasks. I don't recommend that, it takes too long, but it's entirely up to you. So that's all good to go now. Everything is good with the summaries. On the recurring tasks, we now have the associate. So let's go ahead and change this drop down. And this was employee 1 and employee 2. And you can change the colors to whatever you have for the other one. Another thing you can do is drop down from a range. So let's say we want to insert 2 to the right, and we're going to say roster. And we'll say employee 1, employee 2. And I'm going to go ahead and change this alternating colors to make it nice and clean. So we'll change this to Q to Q. Hit done, make this nice and small, and then we'll select all of column S, go to the fill, alternating colors, and pick a new color. So we'll say we want this purple color.